क्या हाल है सबके? तो इट्स अ हॉलीडे एंड इट्स अ होली डे, तो हैप्पी होली टू एवरीवन। तो सोचा छुट्टी है और होली है, कुछ लोग हो सकते हैं जो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। एक्चुअली बीइंग इनटू बैंगलोर देयर इज़ नॉट much of a fun with respect to the Holi. Even like corporates, offices knows that. Okay, they also says that okay, if the cities are Pune, if the cities are let's say Jaipur or somewhere else, they are going to give the holidays to their employees on the occasion of Holi. But location based Bangalore में holidays नहीं होती है कई ऑफिस। हमारे ऑफिस में नॉर्थ इंडियंस ज़्यादा हैं, इस वजह से हो गई। So yeah, that's what, and I'm enjoying. I got the time little bit to do a vlog and to get out of my home. Actually ज़्यादा अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहा था घर पे, बहुत क्या कह सकते हैं, लथार्जिक हो रहा था, थोड़ा सा स्नीजिंग भी थी। So I thought that let's go outside and have fun little bit. बाइक पे मन लग जाता है, और कुछ नहीं है। बाइक राइड पे जाओ तो मन खुश रहता है। यार इसलिए ओला स्कूटर इसका पिकअप भीड़ से भी अच्छा है क्या? ओला भाई, and the beauty are so if you look around in today's day, there are many good models and cars are coming nowadays. Even like for a normal upper middle class person, Audi, BMW is something which is reachable to that person. हाँ अभी कुछ हमारी ड्यूक पे है, but yeah, it's ड्यूक। Everyone has their own priorities in life. I also do have a priority that I don't want to spend that much amount in a car, and I have more of a priority that I'm going to spend it on a bike. So my dream bike is Suzuki Hayabusa that I want to purchase, that I want to buy it for myself. That will be the best gift ever for myself only, that I'm going to give it. I'm not expecting it from anywhere else also, and neither I can expect actually, honestly to be speak. So yeah, so that's my dream bike. That is something that I need to purchase. Now what is the timeline for that? That I also don't know somewhere. Okay, it may be 2 years. 2 years at least it will take, because I know the cost of the price and I know that the amount which I am capable of saving. Based on that, I don't want to get it onto the loan or something, so that's the reason it will take some time. But yeah, one day I'll buy it for sure. For sure my next bike is going to be Hayabusa. Oh, let's start. Woohoo! Oh, here you go. Riding this bike is amazing. The torque it generates, the speed it catches as soon as possible. Just a gear shift and boom, boom, boom. Seriously, like in a single cylinder bike onto a 400cc, not in particular 400, but it is 370, 3cc. The torque, the power, the performance which they have given, what KTM has given, is mind-boggling. It is mind-boggling. The day I saw this bike and I had it in my mind that I'll purchase one day, and I actually purchased it. So around 2019 I gave a thought to myself that okay, I'm going to purchase KTM Duke 390. It took me time Around in 2022, when I got into my job, okay, I came to Bangalore, and then after a few months, I purchased the bike, and that feeling was next level. I couldn't explain that how I felt it when I first got it. So just to make sure that I have that complete, what you can say, एक हैबिट हो जाना KTM की, right? कि कैसा throttle है, कैसा response है. So before or on to in 2019, 2020, 21, I used to go on small rides in the city, okay, in Rajasthan only. So at that time I used to take it on rent, but I always took all the KTM bikes on rent, like Duke 200, Duke 250. Then I took one time RC also. Okay, RC obviously gave me that feel, that thrust of the sports bike, but in the longer run I got to know that this is not something which is feasible to go for, and that too if I want to just spend the money onto some bike, why should I spend it on a 4 lakh rupees bike? And that is more aggressive. Even though if you see the dragster, okay, Hayabusa that you are having, right, 1300cc, that is also comfortable. The seat height, the seating of that bike is really very comfortable compared to what you see in RC. RC is really aggressive, to be honest. Even it is not suitable for a pillion as well. At least in my case, when I am having the Hayabusa, I am very happy with the pillion seating. It is really very good. Easily a pillion can sit, can enjoy the ride. Yeah, obviously back ache will be there. Back ache तो होता ही है. Back ache तो एक टाइम बाद अगर आप किसी नेकेड स्पोर्ट्स पे हो ना तो भी हो जाएगा. Obviously अगर आप लॉन्ग रन पे जा रहे हो तो हाँ थोड़ा सा किलोमीटर्स बढ़ जाएंगे. The range will be more good compared to a sports bike. The range will be more good in this what do you say, naked bike. Okay, to take a run onto the highway. But yeah, you in any of the bike, about the back it's fine, but yeah, with this knee I can't say anything on that. Even when I went to the ride to Gokarna from Bangalore, it was around like 450 kilometers. So when I drove over there, I got to know on the ride that how the pain is, okay, how the pain feels into the knees. Okay. I was seriously doing like this the whole highway. झूला झूल रहा था मैं bike, and the people near me were seeing me and they were actually laughing also. But okay, what you are doing? But yeah, that is what it is. Can't do anything in that. Need to relieve the pain from life, right? And BMW GT. Ooh, nice. See the shape. I think we have opened up the, what do you say that? I'm not sure why, but I'm keep on forgetting the words. Is my memory full? 8 GB of memory showing as full. सही है भाई, टिकट गिरा. इसलिए उससे ऊपर का अच्छा sunroof. Now I got the word. And seriously, I was thinking that okay, what word I should keep in mind. So that was sunroof. So he has opened up the sunroof, enjoying the drive in the car. Right. So, and again the topic goes off at last onto the Bangalore traffic. Why Bangalore? little bit take care of us as well. I'm going to get traffic here. Let's go. Never knows what is going to happen. Although I thought that today is Friday, so people might be at their home because there are certain companies who are giving the off to their employees. So maybe possible that people are staying at their home and they are enjoying the Holi with their family or even the colleagues somewhere, some around, but not on the road. So that way I could get a easy, clean and empty road to ride on. But yeah, that thing was not successful anymore. At least now I'm thinking it's not successful. I need to go on to a different route, I guess, to let that happen, to do that ride onto the bike. Not sure what these guys are up to. So even this is also very uncomfortable if you see this bike, right? 150 Yamaha R15 150cc bike, not that comfortable to me. As for all these bikes, as for the pillion is not at all comfortable. And even like in 150cc segment, I know that the world and the people love Yamaha R15. Okay, I also loved it once in a lifetime. Around for 1 year my crush was bending. Okay. More of the concentration was bending towards R15, but later on again I got to shade myself towards Duke 390 back, because that was something which was unimaginable. Like I wanted to get that bike. I can't say anything on that. I wanted to get that bike, seriously. So today school is going on, the kids are going. I'm not sure why school is on. At least you should be giving holidays to the children, right? To the kids. They should enjoy the Holi. Even they have to go to the school. What's up, Indian government? What is happening? Yes, so he's looking onto the map, I guess. Oh, not sure how long we have to stay over here. Oh, look at this buildings, man. Like, even though these buildings are good, they are onto the prime road. It's the main road of Kanakpura. The people might be living in these flats, but how you can get that sukoon over there? How you can get that peace? Like always the cranking of the sounds, the honking of the sounds. Peace lies to the band ही बज जाती है. Not sure. All the prices are very high over here because of the main road. It's a good construction, but I don't know. I like someone like me won't find good living at such places, such apartments. It might be good from inside, it is good from outside, but it is not peaceful to live inside. That is something. Peace for me is very important. Like आज भी मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था घर पे. I was feeling lethargic, थोड़ी सी तबीयत ख़राब लग रही थी, but I find my peace when riding the bike. So I got outside, right? मज़ा वही है. तबीयत ख़राब हो, बीमार हो, लेकिन अगर जहाँ मन लगता है ना वहाँ लग ही जाता है, तबीयत भी सही हो जाती है. और क्या बोलूं. and again a traffic signal. So every 200 meters there is a signal that I have to encounter being in Bangalore, like consequences of being in Bangalore. You can't even ride freely into the city. Anyway the traffic is there, but still on top of that these lights and the brakes in between, it is little annoying sometimes. And that too when the temperature is raising in the month of March only. That's huge. गॉड प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा ठंडा पानी डाल दो, बहुत गर्मी है भाई. Also from the inside of the helmet I am actually sweating. क्या करें, अब मज़ा भी तो इसी में आता है. मेरे को कुछ ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे को ब्लॉग बनाना था इसलिए मैं आया, तो ब्लॉग तो मैं ऐसे ही डाल रहा हूँ. जस्ट टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ एंड पुटिंग ऑन टू सोशल मीडिया. ओके, हमारा दुख दर्द कुछ लोग भी समझ जाएं. बट या, so that was not the intention. The intention was clearly to just have a ride. The only clear intention was to have a ride, and I was having a good ride, but again these traffic signals are a little annoying. I'm not enjoying this part. Again I'm feeling lethargic on it. Third is the green light. Third is. And the view, जो छाया आई है ना जो भाई साहब, वेरी नाइस, सीरियसली वेरी नाइस. थैंक यू गॉड, थैंक यू. इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना. थोड़ा सा रनअप लिया, बट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड. ओह माय गुडनेस, आई होप, आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन सी दैट, बट देर आर सर्टेन ट्रक्स विच आर गोइंग ऑन टू दैट रोड, and I'm not having that good feelings as per those trucks. I can see that over here. Oh my goodness, huge. Let's take a turn. Oh, I just forgot that I was into the first gear, and when I picked up the bike it actually got off from the front, so I had a wheelie. I'm not sure what had happened, but it was a clear wheelie, guys. It was a clear wheelie. I'm honest on that. Oh my goodness. Hello baby. So I was saying to the dog, huh? Okay, so that I don't get a strike onto YouTube, just to be clear, it was a dog. डॉग को तो बेबी बुला सकते हैं, वो बच्चे जैसा ही होता भाई. Hello people, let me get aside a little bit, थोड़ा सा मुझे भी. Okay, see yaar, I'm feeling really bad about these children not able to enjoy their moment, their festival of Holi. Not sure whether they are going to celebrate it or not, but yeah, I'm not feeling that good. I'm not feeling happy seeing them like that they are not able to enjoy their fun. That is something which is very disturbing, at least on Holi. क्योंकि हाँ, हम भी स्कूल गए हैं यार, पढ़े लिखे हैं, हमेशा छुट्टी होती थी. We used to celebrate at our home, keeping no stress in the mind. आजकल सब चीज़ें बहुत फॉर्मल हो. कहीं से ऊपर वाला ताकत दे ही देता है राइड करना। ओहो सीरियसली वेरी रियली वेरी हैप्पी नाउ। एंड अगेन ब्लैक टिक ऑन माई हैप्पीनेस। ट्रैफिक भाई ट्रैफिक, थोड़ा सा एक 2 फुट का पाथवे बाइक वालों के लिए भी बना दो साइड में, आप निकल जाएंगे जैसे हाईवे पे होता। That one thing which amuses me is actually when you are on the highway and वो मज़ा आता है ना देख के 4 व्हीलर वालों के सबके टोल लगता है, बाइक का नहीं लगता है। So that is one thing. Sometimes I laugh, but again, the day when I am into the car, I don't laugh anymore. Then I am jealous with the bikers. But okay, how you guys are going from the side, not paying a single penny, and over here I am just, I don't even know that how much money get deducted till the time the message doesn't come from the FASTag. Oh, 3XO, beauty. Beauty. It's a real beauty. Serious. I do have it, so yeah, I'll be biased on that. ठीक है भाई, पर्सनल है क्योंकि मेरे पास भी यही है, मतलब नॉट मेरे पास, मेरे घर पे यही है, and the same color that we are having. It looks killer, yeah, killer, serious. The size, it is having that compact size and the features that it is giving, really this bike is sexy, not the bike, sorry, car. Even that infotainment system, the features you get inside and everything, it is quite good. And the best part is that into the manual gear. If you are, I'm not sure of the automatic because I don't have, neither I have drove any automatic in XUV 3XO, but yeah, I have a pretty much good experience of the highway as well as onto the city road in the manual car, and I'll say that I'm really happy and amazed to see that how it performs. Okay, the way it goes, the way when you give the gear shift from first to second, and the thump it gives, oh my goodness. Okay, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शेल्टर वाली ड्यूक चला रहा हूँ. And on the second gear, when you just press the accelerator and the way it goes, oh my god, very nice engine, very nice engine. So it has a turbo engine of 1.2 liters. These traffic lights are taking bare minimum 2 to 3 minutes to just get down. क्या भाई कहीं होली नहीं है क्या? कोई होली बना नहीं रहा है क्या? No one celebrates Holi or what? All the restaurants are empty. People walking into the sunlight onto the road. I don't know why. Guys, stay at home. Enjoy. Celebrate Holi. Holi is very important. Okay, and it's green. 1, 2, 3, go! Hee hee hee! Okay, and I am into BTM, which is again one of my favorite area to visit and to come into. I always visit BTM. बढ़िया मज़ा आता है भाई. Oh, that was a big pothole. Actually pothole से थोड़ा पुराना रिश्ता है. साल 1.5 साल हो गया बाइक का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. Just because of a pothole only. So I got screwed up with both my wheels, mag wheels, as well as both of my tires got busted. Mag wheels got a bend inside, and that bend was not something which could be easily erasable or removable. I couldn't get rid of it, so ultimately I need to purchase a new one, and the old one went into scrap. So when people see you that you are on a GoPro, what do you think? What normally people do think? कि ये कोई पागल है, बेवकूफ़ है. Actually, I have a very good word more than pagal and बेवकूफ़, but yeah, again my video is going on to the YouTube, so I'm not uttering that word. तभी थोड़ा भाई लोग पागल से काम चला लो. There is a C word also, which I'm not speaking at. At least for myself, I should not speak like that. क्या करें, गाली खाने की आदत हो गई. तो कैसा लगता होगा लोगों को यार, है खुद से ही बातें करता हुआ जा रहा है, कौन ही पागल, पता नहीं क्या डाले. और ऊपर से कुछ ऐसे हाँ कांड भी तो नहीं दिखते रोड पे होते हुए. कुछ दिखे तो थोड़ा सा कंटेंट मिले, डालने का मज़ा भी आए. कभी कभी लड़ाई देखने को मिलती है, इतनी खुशी होती है. चलो खुद तो लड़ाई कर नहीं सकते, किसी और को देख लेते तो अच्छा लगता है. यार जो लड़ाई हुई है, देखो यार मज़ा तो आया. Thank you for letting me overtake. Oh, it stinks, man. मैं गलत आ गया है, पहले ही टर्न लेता था. It stinks, man. It stinks. Seriously. अरे यार, ये जो सुगंध थी, आहा, ओहो, मेरी नाक ही खुल गई. अब इतना बेकार नहीं लग रहा. जुकाम सही हो गया. एंड द पॉट होल, सीरियसली आई माइट हैव गॉट बस्टेड राइट नाउ. मैं दोबारा अभी, अरे भाई बैंगलोर अपनी सड़कें सही कर लो यार. क्या ही कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हो भाई, थोड़ी तो इज्जत रख लो. हैं, टेक सिटी है सबसे ज़्यादा, तुमको कमा के दे रहे फिर भी. मतलब कभी ऐसा होता ना कि पॉट होल जिंदा हो जाए, उससे कॉन्वर्सेशन हो तो सीधा क्वेश्चन तो क्यों है. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई नीड टू आस्क, तेरे को किसने बनाया है? Who made you? Who is the Lord creator of yours? I want to talk to him once. क्या यार, मैं क्या ही फालतू बातें कर रहा हूँ, सीरियसली. जाने दो भाई. अब न छोड़ेंगे बस हम चोली, खेलेंगे हम होली, खेलेंगे हम होली. होली खेलो भाई. इट्स अ होली डे. Sure, holiday, but holy day. All the shops are closed. No one is onto the road. Certain shops are open. People are enjoying, having the tea, along with the tea, the biscuits and other things. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, low fuel. I need to fuel up. पहले इसको फ्यूल करते हैं, फिर बाइक को भी फ्यूल करेंगे. Okay?